In this basics iPad video, I will show you how to install apps in your iPad. First, in your iPad, you need to click an Open App Store icon. And next, you need to type and search for your app in App Store. I want to install puzzle gaming apps. Once the app is found, we need to click and open it to read all other information, if they're free or paid, or any other information in regard to the app. To install the app, you need to click the Get icon on the screen. Before the app installation begins, security check like Thumb ID, Face ID or passcode verification need to be made. And the app installation began, it will finish based on the app size. And done. We can click Open here. Or click the app on the iPad screen to use it. And with this we have come to the end of this iPad basics video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Drop a comment below if you have questions or thoughts.